channel. I'm Tia and I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday, but regularly lately. So really, I've been uploading like every day. So you're gonna want to subscribe, okay? I do a lot of wig related content. I do a lot of car vlogs where we talk about wig life, wigs, makeup life, you know. I do a little bit of makeup content as well. So today we have a wig review. And this is another one of the Dashley units, and this is Miss Lace unit number 5. I have her in the color T4/Icy Lavender. She's a she's a lace front wig and heat safe 350 to 400 degrees. I scooped her up from Glamour Tress. And I got her for $23.44. It does says that it's a deep center part, that she has baby hairs. I have done a few of these Dashley wigs. I think I might have done 3. One of them I actually did twice in 2 different colors and didn't realize it. So, you know, what are you gonna do? Let's go ahead and get her. She's been sitting, like, she doesn't normally come like this. She's been sitting on my wig head for quite a while and I dropped her. So she is a light yaki texture, but there's definitely a lot of silkiness to this wig. The color variation on this wig is very, very, very interesting. Poor girl's been mistreated. I have not worn this wig, but I did cut the lace and I may have like tried her on. This is one of the wigs that you have to like be careful what makeup look that you're wearing when you review this, because like, you know, it may clash. She's pretty long. I'd put her in the 30 range. I am getting a little bit of tangles and a little bit of flyaways already, so that's something to know about. I want to try to get this color variation. I see some purples, some light purples. I see some blue in there. She's a number 4 root. I see that number 4 rooting going like all the way through. There's a nice parting. She's got 2 combs in the front. She has a comb in the back, adjustable straps. There are these little hairs here. This is supposed to help prevent matting at the nape. All right, let me get this chick on and we'll see what we're working with. Whoa, yeah, she is long. This is one of the wigs you could probably do like a free parting situation, so you could put the part anywhere that you really wanted. So this is her in the middle. This is her on the right. Oh, that's kind of cute. This is her on the left. I usually do my wigs in the middle, but let's do her just like slightly to the right. Wig cap is comfortable, I'd say. It's probably a larger wig cap. I am 5'6.5". She's well below my breast area, so she's probably at least 30 inches long. I kind of like the baby hairs. Look at the rooting. I like the rooting on this. I like the baby hairs on this. I don't like how tangly and what's the word, like flyaway-esque she is. I am going to try to treat her a little bit with some dry shampoo and with some hairspray or some styling cream and see what I can do. So now that I'm looking at her and I've shifted her, she really, like, she is shiftable, but you would have to cut her because she's noticeably longer on one side. So I am going to put her sort of back in the middle. All right, let me get this chick together and see what we're talking about. Stop what I was doing because this actually happened on one of my other Dashley wigs, and this isn't a loose track. This is actually part of the wig cap, but like, look at, part of it is sticking up. I don't know about this line. Like, I'm not super impressed. I feel like it is not up to sensational standards at all. I'm gonna keep going. frick. I'm not impressed with this wig. Overall, I'm not even really impressed with this Dashley line. This chick is a tangler, and I mean tangler like I just brushed her out completely and she's tangling again. She's got a lot of flyaways. That little thing that I found was actually a piece of a track. So it's the edge of the track that was sticking up, so I cut it. But the fact of the matter is this is not the first time in these Dashley wigs that there was a loose track. Like, I don't know what it is, because I love Sensational, but I can't even I can't recommend this wig. She's not even like my Free Choice Equal, like my Electra wig, or what's the other one? There were two really long straight wigs. Like, yeah, they were gonna tangle, but so long as you kept them like in front, it would have been fine. If this was a yaki, like a true yaki texture, it might not be as bad. The color is stunning. The color is stunning, but unless you get her on a like legit sale and realize you're gonna wear her 1 or 2 times and be done, I do not suggest this wig. Let's look at her from the back. I don't usually feel this way about Sensational. I don't feel this way about many wigs at all. Like, I usually can find some redeeming qualities. To me, she's looking like wiggy. Yeah, I'm not happy. I don't like her. I don't suggest her. This is probably the first time, not the first time. There's been 1 or 2 others where I was just flat out. Outside of the coloring, I don't like it. I don't. She's super wiggy. She tangles like immediately. She's shedding. Her wefts are loose. Like everything you don't want in a wig. So, yeah, look, just doing that tangles. Yeah, I'm not into her at all. I'm sorry, I can't even recommend her. I can't fake it. I can't even continue. I don't even want to go there. So I'm gonna just stop right there and say this is what I think about this wig. Not happy. Sorry if this is your first wig review and you're coming and I'm not in the best like mood or whatever, but it's a wig. The wig did it. And I'm also not sorry because this is just like, I'm gonna tell you my true opinion. And usually if it's just a preference, like in terms of style or whatever, like that's fine. I can say it's just a preference, and you know, people like certain things, we like different things. But this is a construction issue and I'm not happy, and I don't think that you should get this wig. And if you do, understand what you're getting, which is not anything good. So there you go. Yay! If you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, thank you so much. If there's another one of these Dashley wigs you want me to try, put that down below. I'm super skeptical now based on the ones that I've tried, but you know, I review wigs for you guys, so if there's another one you want me to try, go ahead and put that down below. If there's another Sensational, like regular and good Sensational wig that you want me to try out, also put that down below. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, thank you so much. I will see you in my next video. Bye.